Right. So where are we?
We're at the train station.
Right.
And obviously, well, all I knew so far was that we're going to a different country. We've got the passports ready. But I'm a little bit confused because we do not just fly from Newcastle.
Well, I didn't say anything about flying.
Yeah, but you said we're going to a different country.
Aye.
Oh, just going from a different country.
Well, we're going to be going up to Edinburgh.
Oh, right, okay.
Well, it's a different country. No, I didn't say.
We're the case and everything.
I didn't. That's how I was a bit worried, like when you said, right, I'll go and get the passports out. I was like, why should you get the passport?
Oh my god.
I just said, we're going to another country, but still in the UK. No, sorry about that, baby. Sorry for the confusion. Well, that's a bonus, isn't it? So I thought I was I thought I was going to be in the doghouse. I know. Great. You will.
So I can look at the train now.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I'm excited though. We're off the train now, and we were going to try and find somewhere to get some breakfast because the train that we're on had like nothing. It was literally a pot of porridge, oats, a vegan sandwich.
No, and that was it. It wasn't like 20 of them.
No,
it was one
sandwich and one little bit disappointed.
I know.
And I didn't fancy biscuits for breakfast. Hashtag biscuits aren't breakfast. So
They're like crisps.
exactly. Lovely. So we were gonna go. We were going to go and find somewhere for breakfast, but then it's talking about the train station, we saw McDonald's, so we just went to McDonald's. And Jason's had a bacon roll, brown sauce.
Brown sauce.
Horrible.
Love
I
it.
don't know how we like it.
Love it.
And we've had hash browns, and I've got a cheesy bacon flatbread, and I've never tried it before.
We've got a coffee latte, which has changed your life.
Yeah, I know. Right, ready. Oh, I think it's kind of a bit cold because I ate my hash brown very cold. It's alright. Not horrible, isn't it?
No. I'll go on then. I thought I had egg in.
No, cheese. No? It's okay. It's not awful. I think I prefer the bacon roll one. But I was laughing as well because the options, you could have it without bacon and without cheese, so it would just be the flatbread.
It doesn't come in a meal, either.
No, but actually, when I had it on my toffee latte and the hash brown,
it was cheaper
than the meal. So next time, I think we're going to try doing the bacon roll with the hash brown and the latte. Yeah, next time.
Just do it now. Go and do it now.
I think I might do. Before we leave, I'm going to go and check.
Right.
I'm going to enjoy this, and then we're going to go to the hotel and put a bag in.
Hopefully we're allowed in at the hotel to put a bag.
Allowed in at the hotel?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully there'll be like just a luggage room.
I know. Hopefully there is a luggage room, otherwise we'll be dragging the case round until 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Well, that's alright. But anyway, it's nice and sunny outside, so when we do get outside, I'll show you the sunshine and the blue sky. We're here! Are you excited?
Yeah, kind of.
I'm excited. Should we show everybody around? That is our current view just outside the train station. I don't even know what that looked like, guys, because I've still got the thing flipped up. Anyway, do you know where we're going?
No.
Oh, he's gonna have to get his map out.
I know. It's gonna be probably an hour taxi ride.
Oh.
I'm only messing. Right.
I'll leave you to it. Okay. Right. I'm gonna just show everybody what we've got. So we've got that's the castle right up there, isn't it? I don't know if I've just put my finger totally in the way. There we are, look. Let's zoom in. We'll show you the castle on the hill. There we go. this. So the street that we're on now is called Princess Street, just outside the station, Edinburgh Railway Station. We've got the art centre over here. You might think that I'm really good with my tourism, but it actually says it on the building, so there you go. And then this looks really pretty over here. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have a wander across and go and see what this is. Okay? I'm going to see what this is. So it seems to have some sort of barrier around it at the minute. But it's like a little eating area. I'm not really sure what it is. Yeah, I see it's got a barrier around it. Hang on, we've just come around the front now so you'll be able to see. It's called Festival Village. Oh, looks ever so pretty. I don't know if this is going to be open later. We've got like places to eat. There's like little, it's like a sea cheese, toasty place, a meat van. Hi! So we're going this way then?
I think so.
I'm just saying, look to your left, Jason. It's like a little festival thing. So cheese and meats and things, beer. I don't know what it is. Pardon? Well, yeah, but maybe it might be open later because it's only 9 o'clock. There we go. Ah. Me? I didn't plan any of this.
I know, but you said, right, I better go 5.
And then got up at 20 to 6.
It's on 20 to 8.
Seconds on, I was at 5.
I don't know. See? I was right. It's from where, Willie? Hi! So, what have we done since we last spoke to you? We've went to the hotel.
Put our bags in.
Put our bags in.
Still waiting for a room, because
Yeah.
that's not, can't get in until 2 o'clock.
That's alright though, isn't
But there
it?
was no point in just getting the train to get here for 2 o'clock.
Yeah,
so,
definitely not. So
We're
we're
just having a good wander about.
It's really nice. It's a little bit overcast at the minute, but the sun keeps coming out. It's nice just walking around. We went into a Harry Potter shop and I didn't enjoy it. Didn't I? It's just, there was no like, I didn't walk in and feel like magical. Like
it wasn't like Florida over there, that was amazing.
I know, but even the one in Phoenix,
Yeah.
that it just felt magical. Like when you walked in, there was just no atmosphere. And plus, one of the staff was just like chatting, like other people who work there. And I thought that was a little bit unprofessional, if I'm totally honest. Which was a little bit of a shame, really. So we came out of there quite quickly. I just didn't get that little. Yeah, it's just like a magical feeling when you walk in. Normally in the Harry Potter stop, but it's called, what was it called? That Boy Potter or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not like the licensed Harry Potter store or anything. But anyway, we're currently on Grassmarket, aren't we?
Yeah.
And
There's a few stalls further up. There was
yeah,
all street food.
those nice.
There's a few more coming up. I was through them.
I'll show you. There we go. So that's where we're currently heading. Just over here. I'm just having a nice time just walking around, are you?
Yeah, it's good.
There we go.
We've been here a couple of times.
Yeah.
But it's
I think
never
yours...
just on our own.
No, this is the first time on my own.
An apple turnip or something.
Oh, well actually...
There's
well,
loads of knickknacks.
Knickknacks? Oh, knickknacks. Well, no, I kind of came here on my own last year though, didn't I? Because I was here for my cousin's hen weekend. I only came for one night. That was, I did vlog that as well because it was after we'd been to the food fighters.
Yeah.
In
Yeah, 'cause you
London on
stayed
the
on the train.
Friday, yeah. So I was in London on the Friday and then Edinburgh on the Saturday. Wow, right, here we go. We're going around the market now. So that's what we've got, knickknacks and things. Loads of knickknacks. I've got pictures on this side. slippers. Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Look straight up.
Oh wow! Hey, look at that! Wow. It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, so there is foodie bits here as well. They look like really, really big sausage rolls. They're huge. Oh, let's go and have a look. Look at that. All different.
Oh, that sounds a good one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, chicken treat
Pack of
black
snips
pudding.
and tatties. That's the one for me.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, they look awesome, don't they? Wow. I'm gonna go around for a closer look.
That's perfect.
Would you like it warmed a bit?
They won't care. No. They're just absolute carnivores. Never seen anything like it.
Well, I'll put this in another bag.
So, we've ended up getting one of the sausage rolls, pack of snips and tatties.
Yeah.
It's alright if you didn't have anything around your mouth, it's fine. It's really nice. It's really hot though. I've had a little taste and I like it. It was really nice, but it was too hot for me to eat right now. Not spicy hot, just temperature hot. Yeah, it's really good.
But I had it last time and I thought, oh, you've got to try.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh, it might be horrible, like, but it just tastes like spicy
Like a
mince.
spicy mince, yeah.
Oh, but
There's
lovely.
one place that went for a Bosch Bar, which is a pub, which is still open as well,
Yeah.
isn't it? And that was really nice there. But yeah, it's a really nice haggis snips and tatties roll, because it's not sausage. It's really nice. Was it £3.20?
£3.20 for one. That was £11 for four.
It's quite like pricey, I guess. It's quite big though. But I suppose you're going to pay the price.
You're not going to
for
get
it
them
in the
anywhere else,
market.
are you?
Well, no, that's it. And it's like a little market, as you'll see there, look. Like little market stores, and obviously like if you went to a food festival and stuff like that, it's the sort of prices you pay. But yeah, it's lovely. So we're gonna go and have
Saved
a
you
wander.
some.
I know, thank goodness. We're gonna have a wander.
Yeah, come on.
So I'm just gonna show you inside. We'll go. That's what it looks like inside. It's cooled off a little bit now, lovely, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. We're wandering. We don't know where we're wandering to, and it's great, isn't it?
I know.
I love it. I love it. I love just
Let's get
wandering
lost.
around.
Yeah.
I know, let's just get lost in Edinburgh. It's great, but yeah, it's really tasty. I mean, look at that. It is quite deep filled for £3.20 really when you think about it. It's huge, isn't it? But yeah, I'd definitely recommend going and visit them because there's loads of different flavours. They'll all look amazing as well. Oh, it's quite noisy with that bus. Right, so we've had a nice little stop off and a drink at Greyfriars Bobby.
Yeah.
Nice pub. And then we've just seen the statue, as you just saw there, because I've just did a little video. And now we're just wandering along this street. I think we're going the right way. I think. And we're going to go to the Elephant Cafe. Now, for anybody who doesn't know, the Elephant Cafe is where J.K. Rowling used to sit and write her Harry Potter novels, where she got a lot of her inspiration from. So it's not the Elephant Cafe, it's the Elephant House, sorry.
I've been here before, but
yeah.
it was years ago.
It's here, just coming up now. There we go, I'm just going to quickly turn the camera around because there's nobody really outside. There we are. So that is the Elephant House. It's a really popular cafe, and through the fact it's got really nice views as well, hasn't it?
Yeah. Maybe we can see over the bridge here.
Oh yeah, it will. Come on, we'll go and have a quick look. That's it. It's always busy in there. One of the few times we came past the last time it was dead busy. It still is. There we go. Yeah, you can. I've got a little bit of a view anyway. So if you go to the back of the Elephant House and sit, you get the big open view of all of this out the back. It's just all open space. Okay, we're in Ever After now, and it's just like, it's Walt Disney.
I thought you were going to start crying.
Nearly, I was quite close, And they've got the new forks in. Look, there's fork. Got all the Toy Story 4. This is great.
Freddie would be in his element.
Would he?
He'd be so
What do you mean,
annoyed.
Freddie? I am.
He'd be so annoyed that we're here without
Oh
him.
no, just tell him. Oh wow. Jukibium. They didn't say it. Oh, that's a talking one. Oh, 15 sounds and phrases. Try me. Oh no, he doesn't try. He's not trying. Oh, right. I don't know about where do you press him?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought it was in there. Oh, I can't do it.
No.
Oh, that's a shame.
I gotta get forky.
Oh, that sounded a bit.
Forky.
Sounds a bit weird. Are you alright, Woody?
Toy?
That doesn't sound like Woody's voice. Do you want to know a little bit of trivia about Toy Story? Well, Woody, right? I'll tell you guys as well. When you've got things like the Toy Story game and Toy Story and Beyond, like the game and everything, they don't actually use Tom Hanks' voice for it, you know. They use his brother.
Why?
They just do.
Can I just point out something that
What?
I've just seen
What?
Freddie would love?
What?
Look up on the top shelf.
Wow! She's got a zoom on that.
Got the wings as well. And the helm.
Shall we get it?
For me.
No, for me. This is amazing. Look, this shop. I'm gonna have to stop filming though because I could just film everything. The whole vlog would just be the Disney store we found in Edinburgh. Oh, oh, Taylor's all this time. The beast. Oh, right.
Baubles as well.
Wait. Oh my goodness, wait, I nearly missed them.
You know you like your Christmas bauble.
I love a Christmas bauble.
Miss Christmas.
Miss Christmas. Right. I'm just going to indulge my Disney a little bit and have another look around here. Right, we've come out with the Disney in like ever after, wasn't it? Like a Disney Inspired store. And now for the next one, I think it's Galaxy Far Away that we're in. So we've got loads of Harry Potter. There's just like loads. And then we've got more Harry Potter. We've got all the wands and everything. And then we've got Fantastic Beasts things over here. Oh!
Yeah, come over here.
Wow. And then over this side we've got like Marvel, loads of t-shirts. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
I just spotted a quit.
Oh yeah.
Freddie would love that.
Oh yeah, definitely. Wow.
Spider-Man in the hole.
Now we've even got Zelda things as well. Batman, Spider-Man, Harley Quinn. Wow. Oh, it's amazing in here. I love it. Oh, I like that backpack. Isn't that good? Daddy's little man still. Wow. Oh, I like that t-shirt. This is the music that's at the end of the train ride. Listen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, going through the Islands of Adventure. Wow, Bazinga! Love it. Oh, so good. Oh, look at that. How cute's that?
You would have for Freddie.
Oh.
Stormtrooper outfit.
Wow. Oh, Madeline and Freddie would both love it in here as well. It's got just something for everybody, really.
Is that a Sid's t-shirt?
Oh, is it?
Coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Toy Story.
Game Boy. I love it. I love that picture. Harley Quinn. Oh god. We've even got LOL things. Not quite sure they belong in this shop, but everything else can be there. Don't need LOL when we've got Marvel.
Just noticed that.
Wow. Oh, look at that. I'll have to swing round properly and show you that, guys. If my camera focuses. There we are. I can see it. NYC taxi, and it's just like sticking out the wall. Wow. I love it. Harry Potter music playing. I love it. I've even got some Dumbo mugs in here as well. Wow, so you've got the Disney shop one way, then you've got, what's this one? Like everything to do with Star Wars, Harry Potter.
Everything for Star Wars next.
Star Wars, everything next door. Oh my goodness, and just seen a sign as well. See this? Jurassic World, this way. I'm going, I'm making a journey. Right. Wow. Can we just show you? Like, look how big it is. Bigger than me. So I'm really pleased that he's not real. He didn't move there.
I've got Chewie in the window.
Chewie's in the window. We'll have to have a look when we go outside. Wow. I love it. Oh, we've even got Star Wars on the telly. Oh goodness me. Jason, we're home. Only Star Wars fans will get that reference, won't they? Wow, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh goodness me. What a day to be alive there, baby. That is lush. I love that. Wow, right. We're gonna have a little look around here. I love it. I've just got a really big fright as Jason just went, look, and I just turned round and that's up there. And I just got myself a little bit of a fright.
Oh, Madeline.
Oh, wow. Oh, she'd love that. She'd love that. Sorry if it's quite noisy, but it's just because we've got one of the Star Wars movies on a big telly. Yay! Okay guys, so we've arrived at our lunch and we are going to the Hard Rock Cafe. Excited?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go in.
Nachos this day.
No, they were rather big, weren't they?
Couldn't finish me being meal.
I know. It's crazy, wasn't it? Right, okay, we're going in. See you soon. So, we've just ordered some drinks. I've got strawberry daiquiri, frozen strawberry daiquiri in a souvenir glass. And Jason's got Southern Rock. Also in a souvenir glass. So we're going to get these home. No, they're really nice. We're sitting in the rock room, and obviously you can hear the music in the background, so I can only like vlog a little bit, so I can't do more than 30 seconds, I think it is, so I'll just have to be short bit. Hi guys, so our food's just arrived. We're both gone for the bacon cheeseburger. It's amazing, fries are amazing, sauce is amazing, it's just really tasty, isn't it? Are you loving it?
I love it. The barbecue sauce, barbecue. Love it.
Right.
We didn't queue to get in.
No.
Straight in. The meal came down in less than 10 minutes.
And we've got to sit in the little room as well, which is cool. Food's on it, so not quite as busy, is it? Drinks came within minutes, and food was less than 10 minutes, I'm sure. So.
Excellent service.
Hello.
Hello.
Wait until it sorts itself out, shall we?
Are we on the back of the building?
6 or 7. Right, so, am I going the right way? Yeah. We've just checked in, and we've got the key. It's along here. We've got the key for the room.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yay!
Right.
Here we go. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah.
Oh,
Wow.
And we have a wall view.
Oh!
Happy birthday.
Oh, but look at the size of the bed, though.
That's mine. You've got your own bed there.
No, this is my room. Where's your room? Oh, wow. Oh, no, it's lovely, man. It's perfect. Isn't it? A little table for you to do some work on. Yeah. Nice TV.
Sofa.
Kettle. Towels. Hangers. Hey, you've got everything we need. I wonder if I can put the light on in here.
Nice to look on view.
Is it? Excellent. Yeah. So just put the light on with my elbow. Hi everybody. Yes, I am carrying 2 souvenir glasses from Hard Rock Cafe. Oh, it's lovely in here. Do you know what, guys? It's clean. It's fresh. Good looking shower. There's a bath. Let's go and have a look at this view. I wish I had a hold of my camera properly.
If those 2 ledges weren't there, we could see the castle.
Really?
But we've still got a decent view of it. Look at there.
I can it. Have you seen my hand? Right. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. I like
Then
it.
the castle is just behind that building.
I'll not try and point.
I know.
Oh, it's lovely. Yay!
You happy?
Yeah.